How to upgrade RAM in Thinkpad laptop. Add 16GB RAM step-by-step tutorial. No scratches, no damage, safe method. I already unscrew back cover. Step 1. Start by gently opening the back cover. Use your nails just to create a small gap, then slide a plastic opening tool along the edges. Don't use force, go slow and easy to avoid any damage. Slowly release clips around the edges. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Always disconnect the battery before touching internal parts. Step 3. Now, align the new 16GB RAM stick with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle, and press down gently until it clicks into place. Connect battery cable gently. Step 4. First boot test without screws. Place the back cover, no screws yet. Power on the laptop. First boot may take a few extra seconds. iTech studies, making learning easy for everyone. Once Windows loads. Step 5. Confirm RAM upgrade. Right-click Start menu greater than System. Check installed RAM should show 32GB. Step 6. Final assembly. Shut down the laptop. Screw the back cover properly. Power it back up. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.